says, we are no longer walking by sight, but now, because of this truth, we are walking by faith. Lenake ibe yadida abantu abaningi nama-scholars bakhuluma ngokuthi uPeter ethi you are the son of God. Uthi uJesu mayephendula uthi you Peter, son of John, upon this rock I will build my church. He is not talking about Peter, but he is talking about the revelation. Because when Christ revealed, the language changes altogether. Because now Christ has been revealed. The Bible says, iyaqhubeka conversation until Jesus says to Peter, you know what, Peter? The sample ositholile siyangiphoqa mina nguNkulunkulu. In other words, akusiyo yonke into ekwazi ukuvula amazulu, kodwa amazulu avula abantu besambule. Ingakho iBhayibheli lithi, upon this rock I will build my church. Now the Bible says, akagcina kuJesu usethi, you know what, Peter, because of this revelation I will give you the keys. Not just the key, but now I will give you the keys. Not just an ordinary key, but the key that will open the heavens. Why now? Because you have seen what is hidden to the wise, but now you have seen only what is revealed. And the Bible says, those who trust in the Lord, they shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. Namaskara wananani, Papa Sinamani. The Bible says, oh my God. What la emhlabeni akasho ukuthi akuboshwe ezulwini. Uthi akuboshwe uwe usemhlabeni. I decided ukuthi I bind this. Until now, the heavy will agree with you. Oh, what an authority. The Bible says the sneakers were mandla. Bishop Hamba, Pastor Fezela, Atopala, your sister, Bishop Bulanayo, Quadratina, Angeke, Musa Busmunale. Why? If I say no weapon formed against me will prosper, they are declared. Yes. Upita wake waibona lento yokuthi uEliya athi ewumuntu odaliwe ofana nami nawe kodwa athi alizumnetha for 3 years. And there shall be no rain. It was not in the plan of God. God wangena yokutiyena usabothina emhlabeni amazulu akasikwazi ukulisiba ukanulo semhlabeni ngibona amazulu ayakhuleka ngibona abantu bengena nakiwashelwa khona ngibona abantu yeshimfula amamarefu emasanda kodwa imfula enkulu yesa. What's my boy? Go. Ngoba sene agreement nezulu. Angikwazi izulu ukukunika iauthority. Bese futhi izulu. It shall be bound in everything. Maye tube. Udangala ke kithi. Awuzugcina ngobopha. Lokhulula. When the Son of Man sets you free, you are free indeed. He is now training the tongue of Peter. Kongathi uthi wePeter, you saw me uma ngiya ethuneni lika Lazarus. Bethi usehlale for 4 days. Nakulo lethu nakulo. But iproblem esinayo sakwazi ukusondela. Ngoba useyanuka. Kwangathi uthi no ngithi iproblem akulona iphunga. Kodwa iproblem ukuthi mawubona iphunga what do you do? Waqala ufundisa uPeter ukuthi manje I am training you my son ukuthi angisafuni ukukhulume njengokukhuluma kwezwe, but now ngifuna ukukhuluma what you see. Angifuni ukukhuluma what you see, but I want you to begin and speak what you believe. Ukawafika kuHezekiya amathambo esomile. The Bible says wafika wabuza wathi indodana yomuntu lamathambo asangaphila na. The Bible says wathi wena Nkosi uyazi, wathi mayaqhubeka, wathi son of man prophesy upon these bones. I don't want you to speak about the bones, but I want you to speak about life in the bones. Today we are to declare ukuthi wonke umuntu ona nokuwela sephelile nawe, but the Lord is in the throne. If you believe, can you stand on your feet? Sizothandaza. iBhayibheli lithi uyafundisa ngisho iminwe yethu ukuhlasela. Today, as we are going to prayer, ukhulume phezu kwesimo osibona sengathi si impossible.